Off your fort. We've got a fort in the making. This is what to do on Christmas break or during Christmas break when you got nothing else to do. So we have this like little area kind of landing at the top of our stairs.
On this side we're making a stuffed animal area.
Yeah, so something really comfy.
I got milk for him.
Oh good, thank you. Very nice of you. So she's using sheets and hair ties. Oh yeah, don't take away his stuff.
Can you make the fort
for him? So he's gonna be kind of inside here, but like a separate area maybe.
So this is the stuffed animal area.
Yeah. I was thinking, why don't you have?
And then on the other side, this is where all
Look
the
at his
people
hair.
sleep. And then in the middle of here, we're gonna have all these blankets to choose from that you can sleep with first.
Yeah. Oh, look at you. Is that comfy?
Area?
Yeah. Once again, it's set up.
Can you get out?
Once again, wait. Hold on, I'm gonna fix your pillow. Hold on. One second. I want to have maybe lining the back wall. You each have your own pillow.
That's he goes in the stuffed animal.
Okay, fine. These are great Christmas gifts, by the way. Santa did well for you guys this year.
The reason he goes in the stuffed animal gift is because you don't want to lay on something so cute.
Yeah.
So yeah, I don't use it as a pillow very much.
Yeah.
I use it as a stuffed animal. I spend most of the time admiring him, admiring the claws on there.
Yeah. It's really nice. And look, he's like baby jail over there. You're behind bars. Yeah, now you're all baby nap, huh?
It's sleeping.
You're sleeping? Yeah. You're too cute, buddy. Whoa, have you discovered the ceiling? Watch this. Whoa. Whoa, craziness. So, we're on, how many days of winter break? Like 3, oh my gosh, look at my hair. We're on like day 3 or 4 of winter break, and so I figured we'll do something kind of fun. Oh, hey, wait, no, hey, don't take his pillow. Hey, put it back. That's his special area. There we go. Hey, I'm sorry, buddy.
Okay.
You gotta make him a special area.
The idea is
Yeah?
milk. So
Yeah, where's your milk bottle, buddy? Go find it.
here
Right
is
here?
where
Oh, here we go.
Out here is where you select your stuff. I was gonna take. This is the blanket section, and this is the pill section. I
Yeah.
was gonna take the pill out to put the pills.
No, yeah, let him have it, because that's his, he's kind of staked claim on this area. There we go, it's Daddy-O. Yay, mess is Dad's favorite thing. Hey, do you like it though? Do you like how I put the hair ties on?
Hey, buddy.
Oh, of course you want the cookie. Best cookie ever.
Should we try
Here you go, you can have it.
making curtains?
Yeah. So I'll have to clip them on, and we'll just do like kind of at the top. Isn't this
Good
cute?
job, guys.
Yeah.
This is kind of cool.
So then want the 2 open windows.
One thing though.
Hey, maybe
Very smart.
Saturday
I like
night
how
we'll let you guys
put
sleep
it
here.
down over the top. Makes it
Yeah.
way safer.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we worry about baby kamikaze down there. Yeah.
Want to see where the water comes from and the squishy comes from?
Oh my gosh, I have no idea what you're talking about. Okay, let's see it. I go downstairs?
No.
Or where is it?
Wait, hey, is this
Here,
where does
water,
Daddy sleep?
and then
Did Daddy
squishy
go in
here.
here?
Okay, hold on.
Daddy sleep?
Oh, that's cute. Secret water area. Okay, so keep it down there.
That's where I keep my
Daddy sleep right
special
here?
stuff, and then I can give water to Alex.
Daddy?
Yeah, that's very nice of you. Yeah, look.
It's called the water.
Hey, baby behind
Oh,
bars.
and we also can drink water from the sink.
Yeah, that's great. Hey, buddy. Okay, let's make some curtains, buddy.
So it's never ending.
That was very quick. How did you tie this off?
I just did with hair ties on the posts.
Oh,
Yeah, so very easy.
cool. Very
We
easy.
have clothespins too we can use, so I'll use that for the curtains.
Cool, good
It looks
job.
comfy, guys.
Oh, so you're gonna put curtains like
Yeah, they want some.
Cool.
Or at least I'll partially cover it, maybe.
Alex one then.
Yeah. Okay, what do you want with this?
In the middle, or we're gonna put defending gear.
Oh, defending gear. Okay.
And the trespassers are getting.
A trespasser?
I don't like that.
Yeah, that's a little scary. Okay.
And I'm in the water chip, so I am good.
Yeah, you bring the water.
You bring the food.
He eats the cookies. We're all good.
What's funny is this hair is like all staticky.
Oh, mine was crazy. Yeah, if you had longer hair. Yeah, look at this. You're cute though. Here's the door I added. And it had a little opening because baby Adam won't be able to figure out doors, so we had to have an opening.
Hey, don't fight.
Oh, good. Yeah, bring it on up. There we go. Yeah, you guys can live here. Hey, maybe Saturday night you guys can sleep in here, okay?
This is healthy food.
Yeah.
Help me.
Yes.
Help me.
Yeah, put it over there. There we go.
He ate.
Yeah, this
Now
looks-
just move that too.
Yeah, this looks really good. You bringing your toys? Good guy. Here, should we go inside again?
Commander.
Here we go. Let's see. Hey, you got your battling gear. Is this comfy?
He's trying to make the age restriction.
Why does it smell bad in here?
I don't know, did you fart? No, I did not.
It smells bad in here. I'm gonna leave. Maybe it's your feet. Hey, wait, you wanna go inside? Go inside? Go
Oh, I'm
inside.
sorry.
The baby's not even
Actually,
in
you know
there.
what? I've made a new rule. You must be either younger than 8 years or older than 10 years to be in here.
Alright, go in.
Oh, good. So Ava and Adam are able to come in here.
No, you can come
And
in.
Mom and Dad can come in. Wait, are you between 8 and 10?
Oh no.
Oh, that's a shame.
Oh, I know.
Please leave the premises immediately. You can come back when you're 10 years old.
Hey. Hey, what are you doing? Hey. You want a ride? Okay, what's it? Help! You're good, fall. You're good. Wiggle. Okay, what's Ava doing in here? Is this for baby Adam?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a cute little pillow playpen. Oh wait, hey, if you put a blanket, yeah, put it on the bottom, not on top. Just like something to be soft on that bottom. There we go. Yeah, that's great. Yeah.
And I will make the roof rock.
Oh, let's see. Ooh, very cool. Oh, did you bring your... Oh, you brought your cat boy. Wow. Are you a cat boy?
Do you know what? Alex is not letting me put.
Yeah, no, hey, you guys gotta get along. This is a public use blanket fort.
For adults though.
Yeah, fine, for kids. But follows adult rules of be nice to siblings.
Where did the dog pillow go? Where did the dog pillow go?
Wait, it's in here. It's right near the back of the bear. See, like so, see kind of in the back corner.
What?
Yeah, hey, he's fine. Just let him have fun. Hey, we made you a pillow fort. Come here. Hey, buddies, come here. Want to see your pillow fort? Right there?
He doesn't
That's
care.
comfy.
He doesn't care.
Yeah.
This is where the pants can go. And
Really? But it seems so small.
No, I'm gonna make it bigger.
No. It looks fine. You're fine.
What?
Hey, yeah, that's the top of the blanket. Yeah.
Help.
Okay, yeah, I'll help you in a second. There we go. Jump over. Whoa, tall legs.
My white shape.
Ooh. So, hey guys, Saturday night we'll let you sleep in here, okay?
But
that
how
good?
long can this fort last?
Oh, it'll last a while. Like a week? A week of blanket forting? Hey, maybe do you want to play a game in here or something? You can go get a game.
No, wait. You can play.
Okay.
Wait a minute.
Yeah.
Why Saturday? It's not a school night.
I know. I just don't want you guys waking up really early on days that, other days.
What?
Because Sunday we have to wake up early anyway.
We always wake up early.
I know. Hey, we'll see. There. Is this fine, buddy?
You have to
More?
be 6 to 9 years old to enter.
Okay. Well, wait. No, everyone. This is for everybody.
6
Aww.
to 9 years old.
No. 2 to 9. Okay.
What about me?
Yeah. He's not it.
You're allowed.
He's not crazy. Yeah.
2 to 9.
2 to 9.
2 to 9 it means anything.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you're good. You're fine.
Anything between
Yeah.
2 and 9 is it. And that's what.
Yeah. Meow. I see you.
This is where the servants sleep. This is where the servants sleep.
Are you the servant? Okay, maid.
Serve food.
Yeah, food servant.
Yeah. It's not like I came up with that, but she likes it.
Yeah. Okay.
It's a button.
Yeah.
Button.
Yeah, Romeo has a button. Does he talk?
Easy.
Oh, he does talk.
Some water.
Okay.